So when they come forward and they help, syempre natatouch na sobra. Lalo itong laban na ito, parang ito yung pinaka-challenging sa amin since tumakbo siya, since he started running to over 20 years ago. Ito yung pinakamahirap. So the people that have come forward, some of them na hindi ko na-expect. Yung half ini-expect ko, magsabi sa akin na tulong po kami, wala. So, okay lang, at least, di ba? So, yun. Yung mga nagmamulat talaga sa akin, sobra ako. Judy Ann and Ryan pala, naku, since the beginning.
Ito pa pala, sorry. I want to mention.
Yes, please, give us a chance.
OG Diaz, Mama Loy, Leo Martinez, John Arcilia, Neri Naik, Jim Paredes, Maylene Dizon, Pia Magalona, Victoria, Cookie Chua, Bayang Barrios, Angel Aquino, Oli Isidro, Jake Ejercito, Aya Fernandez, Josa Poco, DJ Suzy, Saab Magalona, Magdalena, Justin Dizon, Julina Magdangal, Elmo and Arkin Magalona, and the others I mentioned. So thank you for all their support and their bravery and their courage to stand up. Because what we're fighting for really is the future of our country. I remember meeting Chak Chak. I met him before. He's 5 years old, campaigning for me. Yeah, and then little boy. Just last night, I'm sorry. Yeah. And I said, do you know why I'm here? Do you know why I'm here? Because I'm fighting for your future.